Settle yourself. Settle it.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Anna. Hi. Hi. Anna. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Anna. Hi. Well, hi. Well, hi. Cheese.
Mom is videotaping me. Now that is scary.
Hey, Mom.
Hmm.
Do you use those flax seeds very often?
Yeah, I use them almost every day.
What do you put them on?
I put them on salad or...
Yeah, that's what I do too. I've been using them on salad. They're good. I like them. I make like chicken salad with everything. I mean, beans and greens, chicken, carrots. Put flax seeds on, good.
Maya!
What is this water here for?
Maya!
Eight around here.
I'm not getting a picture here.